Not sure. We got about 100 yards to the hole. Definitely going to go with the pitching wedge. That's a good call. Good call. We got a big group in front of us, right on the river. Beautiful spot. Make a wish, have a great day. God bless you. It's only Dandelion that survived the ball. You can do it. Get ready. Good stuff right there. The water's moving. Beautiful maple trees. Gotta love the little things, little moments. Beautiful day. Boy, that's really eroding. It was not like that last time. That's really opening up. That water's opening it up. That could really do some damage. That's Mother Nature. Have a great day. God bless. Take care.